Hello everyone, Meisterang here. We're trying out the nomad, and her ability is... Yeah, so I've already played this character once just to sort of test how it feels, but just play her again on camera. And yeah, her ability is that a lot of her attacks are ranged. So if I target an enemy directly, I'll attack them and then go back to where I was. This is not a knight, that is a hawk. Yes. Hawks have really weird movement. They move 2 spaces or 3 spaces. Well, I just mouse over it. They can go 2 or 3 spaces away in any direction and jump. They cannot go 1 space. Doesn't really matter too much what I upgrade, as long as I'm spending my money. If I was playing at a higher chain level, or any chain level, I guess, then I'd have to think about that. But I'm not. Of course, he dodges my attack. And one thing that I know is, yeah, Cardinal Splash and Diagonal Splash trigger from the square you land on. Or whatever, the square that you were trying to go to, even though you go back to your origin square. I don't know. I like Cantrip. I think Cantrip is even a little bit better on this character than other characters because, like, repositioning with these Hawk cards is super annoying. It's like, feels like I'm out of position a lot. Although I guess having like Diagonal Splash and Cardinal Splash still helps you kill stuff when you're out of position. Anyway, what am I supposed to do with this? Can't kill the Goblin Warrior. Actually, I can if I want to devote my entire turn to doing so. Okay, I can kill the Spider Toad, or I can kill the Goblin Archer. The Goblin Warrior is kind of... I think the Goblin Warrior is worth prioritizing because the combination of dodge and brawler seems like that could be a pain to deal with. Although Vigilant is probably even more annoying on the Nomad. So maybe that's what I should have focused last turn. Did I even have an opportunity to do that? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's a... Alright. I don't think I'm able to get the kill this turn. Oh wait, of course I am. Yeah, the archery is kind of a pain. I don't know. I'll get used to it, hopefully. Yeah, whatever. The Hawks are kind of bad, but if they give me a shield, maybe they'll be good. All right. I can take out the Snake Paka. Snake Paka. I don't know. Whatever. Let's just get rid of this guy and then. Oh, yeah, he just... Wait a second. Okay, whatever. I'm getting attacked, but it's fine. It's like, oh, I'll attack and move out of the range of the... Oh, wait, no, I don't move when I attack. I can go to a space that's adjacent to an enemy and use my diagonal splash or cardinal splash. And that will cause me to move, normally. Okay. This will taking out all of the spider toads in the same turn is pretty nice because the web weaver ability that makes me draw fewer cards doesn't stack with itself. Okay, I'll take out that one first, and I can take 1 damage without any real consequences, but I might as well. I don't know. Okay. Thinking like, oh, I could use a knight card to go to E4 and then use a hawk to go to A4, but no, hawk can only go 2 or 3 squares. I guess, whatever, we take a hit and we're fine. Yeah, I gotta go like that. There we go. Gotta use the bishops. We'll take a cantrip. I don't think I need to superpower that one hawk. Alright. I can't take out both of the spider toads unless I draw... yeah, that'll do it. Oh wow, this diagonal splash is gonna be so good. Look at that. Look at all those enemies I just took out. Yeah, I do like the idea of only dealing with the card draw penalty for a single turn. Oh my goodness. Man, this archery is annoying. I was gonna take out the Blight Bearer, but couldn't do that because I would still end up on the same square and then I would take too much damage. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, yeah, of course, Brawler. Okay, good enough. We made it there. Okay, what do we want then? Yeah, whatever. Just take all the extra attack. Okay. What happens if a dodgy enemy tries to dodge onto the square that I was standing on? Okay, it didn't work. Cool. I'm like, oh, I'll move. I keep planning my turns around like, oh, I'll attack this guy, and then I'll be over there, and then... It's just weird. That's all. Something wrong with it. It's just weird. At least I find it weird. Alright, is there some way I can take out the goblin warrior this turn? Oh, I could sacrifice some health. Wait, no. Immune while the hero is on any of the cardinally adjacent squares. Okay, well... Okay, nothing works. Yeah, because if I go to any of those squares, I'll either not be on the same row, column, or diagonal, or I'll be adjacent. And this doesn't work either. Okay, cool. Well, and then I guess I don't want to take damage. Got him. What the? Oh, right. Wow. Most useless cantrip. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe we'll draw something good. Okay, that's fine. We'll just, we'll get him next turn. Alright. Do I want to try... Maybe I should try Endless at least once with every character. At least all the new characters. Okay. This kills a lot of enemies. And then... Okay, whatever, I don't know. Oh, what? Oh, this one had champion, I didn't notice. Huh. It's just a basic Cappy Bear, why is that the boss? The leader, whatever. Wait, what? I thought it was adjacent when I attacked. Interesting. Okay. Or maybe I'm just confused. That's possible too. Well, I'm definitely confused about something. There we go. Took out the dodge enemy. Got him. Okay. Oh, my only card in my draw pile was this bishop. So maybe I should have positioned myself a little differently. Anyway, fight's over. So you have no gold rewards, no health regeneration, no nothing. You just get as far as you can. This... No, this is Cardinal Splash. What am I doing? I think I should be able to get something good to happen here. Well, let's do this. Um, 3 damage. Oh, because that's a Goblin Archer. Yes. Okay. I guess I can't attack because I have to move. Alright. Let's, I think I'll just double... Every time I forget. Okay. Yeah, I'll double attack the Goblin Warrior and then I'll be on C1. Okay, I can almost get a lot of kills, but they all have dodge. They're all nimble. They're all nimble and quick, and I don't know, jumping over the candlestick, was it? Anyway. Okay, this takes out that person. Take out that person. Every single turn I forget. Okay, the champion's on the left. Okay, cool. Yeah, every single turn I try to plan around where I'm gonna go when I attack something. And every single turn I forget that I'm not actually gonna go anywhere. So the archery ability seems to bypass brawler, which I guess makes sense from a thematic standpoint. Alright. Takes out 2 enemies. Oh, this is a boss. Yeah, and he spawns a blight sack every time I take out something that's not a blight sack. Okay. I have a cantrip, so it's fine. Alright, well it looks like... Oh no, okay, I'm not taking 2 damage. Well, I'm not... What I was thinking was that, oh, I can't get onto the safe squares and I have 1 shield, I'm getting attacked twice. But that was not the case. Yes, we take... Wait, what? This is not a knight, it's a hawk. Huh. Okay. Get out of here. Alright, well, I guess we're taking a damage. Okay. Bypassing brawler is pretty nice. Anyway. We now have a shield, and I can't reasonably... Yeah, I can't get over there. Well, actually, maybe I can. Oh, I have 2 actions left. Yeah, of course I can. And then... But I can't end this turn, but that's... Wait, what? Oh, this guy's a ranged attack, and I pushed him. Whoops. Well, not great. Wait, did that guy have dodge? Oh, I'm at full health again. That's a lot of enemies on the board. That's definitely more than half the board. That's 16 out of 25. Okay. Oh, if I had a Hawk of Mass Destruction right now, it would be beautiful. But I don't. So I'm at full health again. That's cool. Okay, if I just attack twice, I'll be on this. I'll continue to be on this square, which is certainly annoying. Okay, well, wait, what? Oh, right. Yeah, for the same reason that I bypass Brawler, I also get kind of countered by vigilant. Anyway, this is taking 5 damage, but if I actually go there, it'll be 4 damage. Whatever. Ow, 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 ow. So the blighted... Man, I really need to take out the blighted capybaras. Probably just lose, actually. I don't lose immediately, but this is certainly not looking good. That's all I really have to say about that. I am getting some strong cards soon, at least. Okay. So I have... Well... I could take out 4 enemies with this shot. And I have a Knight of Mass Destruction, which I think will take out the Snake Paka. So I'm actually landing on this square. Well, we'll see. Oh, Brawler. Okay. Alright, I'm about to get a good card. If I draw the Hawk, I want to be able to move to this square and take out these 2 enemies. Oh, these are ranged attacks. Oh, this is just Blight. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll go... Oh, yeah, this is fine. Then I go here, and I'm ready for the turn to end. Yeah, I think... Well, I could actually... Yeah, I can go here and take that out. Wait, what? Oh, right. I didn't directly target something, so my attack wasn't ranged. Alright, now we got 17 enemies. The ones... At least most of them aren't dropping Blight when they move. It's like kind of painful to watch when there's like a huge cluster of enemies and they're all dropping Blight everywhere. Okay, I could take out 4 enemies. What happens if I shoot this guy and then try to return to this square? Like, will I get to this square, or will the Goblin Skirmisher dodge into this square? And what will happen to me? Well, I guess we'll find out. Oh, I got him. Yeah. I don't remember if I had already witnessed that interaction, but either way. Take out this guy. Oh, I want to... Why can't I just move into the square as I'm attacking? What's even hitting me? Oh, the Blight and the farther back Snake Paka. Well, there's no turn pressure. Well, the turn pressure in this game is just enemies dropping Blight everywhere. That's the pressure. There's not a lot of that right now. This is the champion. Well, this has cantrip. Let's just take out some enemies. Okay. That should take out the Snake Paka, yeah. And I'll play extra safe, make sure I don't take any damage. Oh, this is a knight. I keep confusing them. Whatever. Okay, I don't care about getting like one extra kill or anything. Right. And my draw pile just has a rook. Okay. Oh, that has blight. Okay, I'm pretty much taking up blight damage no matter where I go. So we'll just take the 1 damage and we'll be happy. Alright. Goodbye. And another floor beaten. Let's go. Alright, we had a boss on floor 3. Oh! Same boss again. I mean, I guess it's always the same boss since each biome only has one boss. Well, joke's on these dodging enemies. There are so many enemies that they just don't have the space to dodge my attack. Well, some of them certainly do. How am I gonna get to safety this turn? Why is blight everywhere? Oh, because I killed blight. Oh, yeah. Gives blight sacks. Yes. Okay. Every square that I could make it to would be taking 3 hits. That's not entirely true. Because this one's taking 3 hits, but it's actually taking 2 because I can take out one of the enemies on the way there. Okay, now what? Wow, this is a hard fight. Oh, because the Blight Vessel is annoying and hits almost the entire map. Okay. Well, I certainly have to stay in this area. I don't want to be taking more than 2 damage. I might have been better to go after this Goblin Warrior instead. Anyway, this is the end of my turn. Probably the end of my run soon. Alright. We'll see if we can take out all that has before we succumb to this blight stacking like crazy on every single square of the entire map. Okay. Well, this square is safe. As long as I can make it there. Like I can't even go 1 square. Well, not with a hawk and a bishop. Well, let's just draw another card. Okay, a rook. That's what I was hoping for. Is there like some fancy trick I can do? Okay, so the thing is, taking out a blight sack will kind of increase the amount of threat on the board. Because a blight sack threatens orthogonally adjacent squares, but the blight it drops when it dies threatens all adjacent squares. So, like, I think I think this will be okay. Now I just have to try to... I pretty much just have to win this turn, I think. Yeah. Okay, one... Oh. Again, I forget. Wow, if only this was Diagonal Splash. Then we'd be in a good spot. Maybe. Potentially be in a good spot. Anyway. Oh, this is still just 2 damage. Okay. So... If I could make it to this square or this square without taking out this blight sack, then I could be safe. Which I guess is very doable. Okay. There has to be a win this turn, right? Yeah, he has a dodge. Oh, yeah. I go here. Rook up. Knight. Yeah. Alright. Oh, okay. Now every square just gets blight. Oh, the top row gets 2 blight. And all the other squares get 1 blight. Huh. I don't have enough shields to deal with all that. I have a 12 card deck. And I have 4 cantrips. So I draw through my deck in just under 3 turns. I don't know, if I get a shield a turn, I can make it work. In theory. I would need a shield every turn. And I would need to be able to keep the bottom row safe, or some area safe. Right? Yeah, that's a dodge, of course. Okay, cool. And then this takes out 4 enemies in a single action, which seems pretty cool. Also makes my bishops kind of useless, I guess. I don't know. Let's go here first and see what happens. Okay, cool. We did it. Huh. How is there 2 blight here? Oh, probably one of the... Whatever, one of the enemies died and dropped blight. Okay. Yep, that looks good. And... yeah, so we're gonna get smacked a little bit. It's fine. I'm gonna get that health back, and everything's gonna be great. Alright, well if this spawns a bunch of blight enemies, then that's not gonna be ideal. Oh, okay, the top row got 2, the second row got 2. Okay, so I guess each floor, a row gets a blight stack. Cool. Oh, that archer is threatening this square. Well, if I push him away... Yeah, I'll push him away and get some kills in the meantime. Let me get a shield. Cool. So I haven't figured out how I'm gonna deal with the floor 9 boss. The answer is I probably will fail the run by that point, but that is okay. And yeah, I think we're good here. There's nowhere else I can really move. Okay. Yeah, we'll play the Hawk of Mass Destruction. And... there we go. Well, okay, if I'm going to survive this, I think I just need to do a good job of defending a part of the map from, like, just preventing the blight sacks from entering at all. Which already there's one over here. Like, before I even get to start. This guy might be unable to summon if all of the adjacent squares are occupied. So that's another route I can go. I would like to just kind of camp a square that has one blight. I think the left squares are kind of, there's like no way I'm going to stop that. The right squares, well, there's already a blight sack here, but it doesn't blight the square it's on, it just blights adjacent squares. So I guess I just need to stay on D1 and shoot everything with my bow. Cool, I guess. Oh, but there's also... oh man, so the spaces near the blight vessel are gonna be blighted to no end. And the spaces far away from the blight vessel are just going to be attacked. Okay. This is a knight. I thought it was a hawk. Okay. The fact that there are 2 unoccupied squares... well, also if I go over here and kill stuff, there's going to be more unoccupied squares. Okay, I don't know. Let's just start playing the game. There we go. This is going to get me a lot of kills. Is it taking 5 damage? Huh. I think I got obsessed with quantity over quality. Like I got it was like, oh, let's get as many kills as we can without thinking of which enemies I need to take out. Also, there's just no way. Yeah, the blight sacks. Yeah, there was no way. Well, I get 2 shields this turn. Yeah, the square's next to the blight vessel. Well, this blight vessel... well, this square... yeah, I definitely can't survive being on any of these squares. Okay. Who's attacking? Okay. This square will not be safe. This square might... this square is definitely theoretically survivable. Yeah. Wait, when this guy dies... Oh, but he's gonna dodge backwards before he dies, so it'll be fine. Okay. And is there any way I can take out this blight sack like from this square? Well, potentially. I would need the Cardinal Splash Hawk. Alright, well that's not great. Is there anything else that isn't completely inundated in blight? Well, well, considering I only can get one shield right now. Okay, well, that's the run. We made it to Gauntlet 9. Even though this character is still, like, kind of hard for me to wrap my head around, this was still a pretty entertaining run. Died in glory. Should have just went home. Alright. Well, next up is going to be the Cappy Zerker, who gets a lot more healing than other characters and takes damage to trigger cantrip. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.